Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to unstar a photo in Google Drive on your PC, especially after the recent updates. If you've been organizing your files and find that you have too many starred items, this guide will help you streamline your Google Drive experience. First, let's get started by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Drive website by typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your files. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to locate the photo you want to unstar. You can easily find it by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you spot the photo, hover over it to reveal additional options. Next, look for the 3 vertical dots located next to the photo's name. Clicking on these dots will open a small menu with various options related to that file. This is where you can manage how you organize your photos and other documents. In the menu that appears, click on Organize. This option allows you to manage where your file is stored and how it's categorized within Google Drive. Now, you'll see an option labeled Remove from Starred. Click on this option, and just like that, your photo will be unstarred. This action removes it from your starred list, helping you declutter and keep only the most important files easily accessible. And that's it. You've successfully unstarred a photo in Google Drive using your PC. Remember, keeping your starred items organized can make it much easier to find what you need when you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive and other useful applications. Thank you for watching.